Here's how to see your saved passwords in Google Chrome. Now, first just open up Google Chrome. You can see I'm on an Android device, but you can do this on an iPhone or a computer. It works the exact same. Now, from here, you have two different options. One is you can manually access it by tapping on those three dots at the top right. Keep in mind, if you're on an iPhone, it'll be three dots at the bottom right. And next, let's go to settings. Within your settings, you'll be able to see at the very top, Trevor Nace and your email address. Make sure you're logged into your account that has those passwords saved there. And now from here, all you need to do is go to the bottom, Google Password Manager, and you'll be able to see all of the passwords here. You can just tap on any of these, and then you can use your fingerprint or your face to be able to reveal what that username and the password is. However, if you don't find that, all you need to do is go back out of here. Let's just go back and back again. Instead of that, you can just go directly to passwords.google.com and you'll be able to see it will take you directly to Password Manager. Depending on your security settings, you might be able to see passwords in here or you might not.